Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about distinct clause using SQL query statement. Distinct clause statement is used to removing duplicate data rows from database table which we are going to retrieving. In the distinct clause keeps one row for each group of the duplicate data rows. We have to strongly remember that the distinct clause keeps one row for each group of duplicate data rows, and it will provide us a result data set as a result set with the common uniformity of the data with duplicate free. Now see how the basic standardization of distinct keyword of the clause where we have to use and preparing for an SQL statement. Simply select space distinct. See here it is displaying here, it is a distinct keyword. Select the distinct space. What are the columns you are going to specifying? See here in the columns of the table, it's showing in the right side panel here. And these are the columns are available in this particular customers table. All right. And I want to verify in a result set without duplicates of customer ID. So I can mention here like a distinct space. You can click here. The selection of the columns, you can double click here and on query window, it will be written here automatically. PHP my admin will have enough facilities like to. And now this particular column I'm going to using, or else also you can specify call company name. Along with these two, it will be managed to maintain that to avoid all the duplicate values from these two column values. All right. And first of all, I would like to run a common SQL statement like a select star from like a table name, it is customers. Like it is in a customers, and go the result set how many results it's given. See the showing 0 to 24 like a 1 these are the pages, and 116 total result set of the data rows it is returned. These are the results set. Successfully we have a get the result set of the results from the select star from customers, that is 116 total records we have written. Now see here, I'll mention a distinct keyword to making like a using of the column name. It is in a customer underscore ID. That is DISTINCT distinct space customer ID from customers. Now see from 116, it if any duplicates, it will be avoided and it will be returns only the 91 total rows only it is returned. See how it is. The number of rows it is showing 0 to 25 rows. Like 0 to 24 means it's an out of 25 number of rows it is selected here. And out of 91 total rows only it is getting as an output. Have you check here by using the distinct, we will eliminate the duplicate values from the group of text which are available in the duplicate. Now see this is the result set only with the customer ID. Based on the selections using the distinct keyword, you can specify one table name with the table which is having like a ID and any of the if the column is having primary key also, and other than primary key column may have an entering of the duplicate call values, the same values. This is the way we have to avoid duplicates from the table, and will retrieve the data which we require to having an error like a duplicate free data. Thank you.